Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Onrain Tech Corner, the corner of the web where we talk about tech. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a 4-port USB hub from ORICO. Let's get started. I picked up this whole thing because eventually I will need a 4-port USB hub, and besides, it might be neat to try out some experiments. So let's crack this thing open and see what we get in the box. Okay, a couple things that are... Hello. I'll get to you in a moment. Couple of little things on here. It does boast USB 3.0 speeds for all 4 ports. And it does say a transmission rate of 5 gigabytes, not up to, but we all know that's dependent solely on how many drives you got plugged in and what the data rate is, what port you got plugged into, all that kind of deal. So yeah, let's move on. Alright, so we got the hub itself here, and you know what, it's actually not bad. Cheaper plastic than the speakers I just unboxed the other day. But you got a USB in. These all should be USB in, and this should be a USB out. Yeah, it also looks like you got you see you got 4 USB ports here, LED indicator, I guess, for power. See what else we get in here. We should have another cable. Alrighty. And this is the instruction booklet. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, this is the whole thing. We can just put this on a QR code. Anybody who's making these type of products, can we just put it all in one QR code or something? But you know what, it is nice to have the manual in with this. Okay, and we got the service card. It's half in... But it does have a couple of things in English. I'll read them off to you. Dear customer, thanks for your choice and trust. Any experience and feelings from you will be happily appreciated. If any problems or concerns you may have, please feel free to contact us by online customer service or ORICO official ways below. And it does give email address and a phone number, but it does give us 2 QR codes on the back. Let's put this all back here. And as expected, we do get a USB cable, and it is USB 3. And the primarily way you can tell it's USB 3, if you look on the inside of one of these, I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but you'll see a blue piece of plastic in there. That's typically a USB 3 port with transfer speeds up to 5 gigs, not straight 5 gigs. But yeah, can't wait to be trying this one out, because it does look like a nice little device. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon for notifications, and see you in the next video, everybody.